This video will teach you how to track the stock market using a spreadsheet and create a nice looking chart. So to do that, we are going to track how the Dow Jones is, what the value of the Dow Jones Industrial Average is every morning. So first, let's see how do we find out that value. We can go to Google and type in Dow Jones Index. And you can do this every morning when you're drinking your coffee, and you can see that what the Dow Jones opens at. So today it opened at 19,028 and 36 cents. So we need to put that into a spreadsheet. I will show you how to do this using Google Sheets. So go ahead and open up a Google Sheet. And we're going to make two columns. The first one's going to say date, and the second one will say open. So I assigned this assignment on the 16th, and I wanted you to have 10 days worth of data. So go ahead and type in 3/16/2020 and click that little square on the bottom right of the cell and drag it down until you have 10 days or so. So 10 days does not include the weekend, so we need to delete the 21st and the 22nd, which is a Saturday and a Sunday. So you highlight the row, right click, and delete row 7 and 8. So now it goes from the 20th to the 23rd. Perfect. And 10 days, I believe, would get us to the 27th. So we can just go ahead and press delete on that one. So now let's go back. Today is the 23rd, and the market opened at 19,028.36. So I'll type that in there. And now I could just keep on going. So tomorrow morning I could search, and then I would find out what it opened out tomorrow, and I would type it into the next cell, and the next one, and the next one, and the next one. So that's what you will do. But how do you find what it opened at in the past, in case you haven't been keeping track for the last 5 days? So I'll show you how to do that. You're gonna go to Google again, and you're gonna type in Dow Jones Historical Open. And the best website I found is this Yahoo one, so click on that, and it just gives you a list of all of the opens for pretty far back. I don't even know how far this goes, but it goes on a long way, probably years. So we need it to go back to the 16th, which is that number right there. So you can go to this website. I will link it in Edmodo, and you can fill in these past dates. And once you do that, so let's see here. I already did that, so look over here. This is what you will get if you do that. And I just got these numbers straight from this list here. So the 16th was 29/17/53. And right here it says 29/17/53. And so all of these are accurate. And once you have all 10 values filled in, you're going to select the two columns, go to Insert, and click on Chart. And then you get this pretty nice graph, but we can make it look better. So what we're going to do is make the range, which are these numbers on the left, we're going to make it so that they're not so big. We don't need it to show 5,000 because our numbers are up here between 15 and 25. So to customize that, go to Customize, hit vertical axis, and where it says minimum value over here, type in something like 15,000. And right away, you can see that it adjusted the range over here. So the vertical axis got smaller. And then for the maximum, I could change it to something like 21,000. See what happens with that. And I could even do more. Instead of 15, I could say 17. And that might make it look a little better. So there you go. We don't know what it's going to do in the next 4 days, but you will fill in the numbers, and then you will adjust the range to make it look better. And then you will title your spreadsheet Dow Jones Open, and then you're gonna hit the share button, and then you're gonna hit this get shareable link here. You're gonna copy this link, and then you're gonna paste it in Edmodo and turn it into me, and then I'll give you a grade for it. If you have any questions, please put them in Edmodo in the comments section. And other than that, I hope you have a good day.